I like getting subscription boxes because it's like getting a present every single month, and who doesn't like that, right? Hey everyone, I'm Alyxx and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I love creating content that'll help you love life, perfect life, and beautify all things in your life. And so today I am sharing something that I have been waiting a long time for. Usually I only have one video per week, but I just checked my mail today and I got the new Petit Vour Subscription Box for the month of January 2021. I have been waiting pretty much all month for this. I ordered it back at the beginning of the month, and now because of the way that mail has been being delivered and the way that Petit Vour just ships out their packages, it has taken a few weeks, and so now it's the 27th and I'm going to be opening it with all of you. I am in my natural state. I have not done any of my makeup or my hair. I literally just got the mail and wanted to pop on here and share it with you. I have not seen anything that's inside. I did cut around the tape off around the corners and stuff to prepare, but I have not seen anything inside, and so I really wanted to just jump on and share what I got in this box with you. So let's get to it. This is the Petit Vour Beauty Box subscription. It's a cruelty-free, vegan, non-toxic beauty box subscription starting at $15 a box. Every month you receive 4 products with over a $50 total value. Enjoy a mix of makeup, hair care, body and skincare curated to match your beauty profile. This subscription is offered in the US, Canada, and worldwide. In the US, which is where I live, it is monthly an $18 fee, and you can cancel at any time. So obviously when you open it, it has this really great quote, "Be bold, be kind," super important if you ask me in the age that we are living in. And then it says, "Your cruelty-free beauty obsession starts here." So I'm very excited about this. I've already been obsessed with clean beauty, but I just wanted to check this subscription out because I feel like it would introduce me to a lot of new brands that I haven't heard of and new products. So in every box, there is a specially designed kind of postcard that is created by an artist. So the month of January's looks like this, and I love it because it reminds me of the mountains, and I'm such a mountain girl. If you don't know, I grew up in Colorado. Mountains bring me to like a place of peace, and so I really, really do like this. And then on the back of this card is listed what is in the box. And so I'll just go through them one by one. It gives you a little bit of a description of what each product is and how much it costs. So I will be reading that off. Inside of the box is all of the products. They come with 4 products. First is by Inkling Scents. It's a gossamer perfume and it retails at $15. The description says, "A celebration of all women and varied forms of beauty. Notes of pink peony, freesia, lychee, magnolia, lily, rose, cedarwood, and amber create a rich, complex fragrance that is widely loved." This is a 5 milliliter bottle. It looks like this. And this is going to be really hard to kind of give you a test of because like you can't smell through the video. I wish you could, but I'm just going to rub some on my wrist. So I'm just going to be honest, like it smells expensive. And I mean, I really enjoy it. I can definitely smell like the florals. I am super into like essential oils, so usually I don't like a whole lot of botanical smells. Like I don't really like florals too much. Any kind of like super, what I would say, girly. I'm more of like cedarwood, sandalwood, all those kind of woodsy smelling oils. But I also do like rose on occasion. I think if you put too much rose in it, it could obviously be overpowering, but this smells really delightful. It is more on the floral side, but it is something that I could see myself using because It's not like overpowering. It's not your typical like what I would say my grandma, like that grandma scent with the floral. So I really do like it. I wish that I could share more with you. Obviously, sense of smell is like a personal thing. So I'm just gonna move on. The next product is by Seraphine Botanicals. It's a lychee and ginger and gold healthy glow blush. It's retailed at $14. The description says it is a multi-dimensional blush with micro gold frosting for a subtle shimmering flush. Infused with lychee, ginger, and chamomile extracts for radiance and hydration. This is a 3-gram product, and on the back it says it's vegan, GMO-free, and gluten-free. And the directions say, using a blush brush, fan over apples of cheeks, blending along the cheekbone. Wear alone for a healthy glow or as a blush topper layered on top of your favorite matte blush for an additional pop of light. So let's just open this up and see if I can do a swatch test for you. Kind of like a peachy pink color. It's very shimmery. And that's what it goes onto my skin like. And when I rub it in between my fingers, it's very like velvety feeling. It kind of just like melts into your skin a little bit, and I like it, and I think that is an overall good tone for my skin. You can see flecks of gold in it, and it is more on the peachy side, so I think this is going to be a really great color for like more spring and summery. So I'm excited to use that. I think it'll have a nice place in the rest of my makeup stash. Next is by the Seaweed Bath Company. It's a purifying detox facial bar. It retails at $8. It's an exfoliating detox body soap. And I don't know about you, but my skin has been very dry in the winter. I think you've probably heard of me talking about this, but everybody can use an exfoliation during this time of the year. The bar looks like this. It smells like coffee and cocoa butter. Oh, it's made with coffee and cinnamon, and so that makes sense. The package does say it's created with natural ingredients from Maine seaweed, so not too far away from me here up in upstate New York. It's gluten-free and paraben-free, which is important because I am gluten-free. And it's vegan and cruelty-free, which we've got to love. So I'm excited to use that. The description says it gently softens and purifies for smoother, healthier looking skin. Organic, sustainably harvested seaweed with 65 plus vitamins and minerals naturally detoxifies and promotes skin's elasticity. There we go. And last but not least, our fourth product is by Evan Healy. I don't really know how to say that, but Evan Healy. We're just going to go with that. It's an oil and water balancing / calming ritual. It retails at $10, and the description says, this serum mimics the skin's protective barrier. Add a generous misting of facial tonic to 2 drops of serum, warm in palms and press to face. So it is a facial product. It's ideal for dry, oily, and combination skin. According to its package, it hydrates, moisturizes, and provides skin-loving antioxidants. Okay, so this is making more sense once we open it up. On the inside, it looks like this. So there are 2 products. So I was a little bit confused when I was looking at the box and even at the description, because it was saying to add a generous misting to the face and then add 2 drops of serum. But I was like, does that mean any serum? But, okay, so I'm following now. Apparently my washer is going a little bit nuts, so if you've heard that, that's what was happening. Sorry you had to hear it. I should have thought of that before I filmed this. But, you know, just keeping it real. So anyways, unfortunately, some of these products in this month's box were a little bit more difficult to share the experience of with you watching over video. So I apologize for that. Overall, I would say that these are very premium products, and I'm really excited to start using some of them. And I just really think this is a good option for those who are trying to get into clean beauty, or those of us who are trying to expand past our one or two favorite brands and really see what else is out there and get our hands on new products. This is a great way to be introduced to those brands and products. I have been waiting for this box forever, it seems, but it was well worth the wait, and I hope that this video has helped you. If you like this content and you want to see more of it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also find me on Instagram at alyxxmarie. Thanks again for joining, and I'll see you next time.